Hello everyone, welcome to part 4 of $10 to 10k. I want to go with the sellers exactly right here because I'm expecting a base right here and red green pattern also, and this is a strong sellers entry. And you can see previous time we had a QM which we didn't see, and we basically missed this trade. And then this trade also was very good. You can see this is a outside bar, we have the retracement, and the next candle opens with this huge gap down on the support area. Okay, this was a good trade to take, this one as well. So now we have this trade, and I believe there should be a range of red green pattern because it has a gap up and also it's on this round number, so we have enough reasons to take a sell here. All right, after this trade I will go with the buyers again because this is, let's say this is an engulf, we might have a setup inside of that. All right, yes, this is the setup. If it's gonna come down, okay, come down a little bit, come on. No, it didn't come down, it just goes up right away. All right, that's fine. I will look for other opportunities, and also for those who have been asking for mentorship a lot, there's gonna be a special offer in March. I will inform in the Telegram channel, okay? So if you're interested, you can just join and stay tuned. Now I will look for other opportunities. We have a support area here, which there's some space, and we have a gap up. I go with the sellers here. I believe the sellers should push the price down because we have gap up. We still have the gap until the next level. All right, let's see if the trend, the trend is also with us. So I'm not really expecting a green candle here, even though if we get the green candle, that's fine because we're doing the right thing, okay? Let me see, I really want this candle to push and close something like this. That'd be awesome for the next trade, but no problem, that's just a losing trade. If it's gonna come down, I will go with the buyers somewhere here, okay? All right, I go one here. Oh, it didn't come down on my line. This is the common point of rejection, and I'm pretty sure this is an engulf, right? This is an engulf, and inside of this engulf there should be a setup, okay? Let me just mark this. I'll go to the lower time frame to check. Yep, let's see, it looks like a QM, but oh, it's so messy. Yeah, so anyways, we have this level here, first touch, second touch, and third touch is trying to break that. All right, didn't break that. I wanted this to break, but it didn't. No problem. It would be also good for the sequence here. Let's see how it goes. I will look for other opportunities. When you're just not able to, find a good opportunity in a particular pair, you can just move on. Okay, look how beautiful. Hold on. First touch, second touch, and the third touch broke that, and then it's also starting to gap down. This was an amazing trade to take. All right. Okay, this area is a good support area, okay? We also have the higher high, so it looks like something like this. Also have the higher high, so I really want this to break this. If it's gonna break this, I will take a trade, okay? I will take a trade, and then I will look for something inside of this engulf. Okay, I'll go with the bars right now. Okay, no, I don't like this gap up, but still, that's fine. I will look for something inside of this engulf, okay? So if you combine this with a setup inside of this engulf, that's gonna be fire. Yeah, we can see we have a QM inside of that engulf. So imagine the candles giving a shadow and then jumping up, that'd be fire, right? So let's just go and look for, okay, so this zone right here would be a good area to take a trade, but just starting from here, because this area was a super strong area, okay? Previously, you've seen that how the price started from here and jumped up. We'll look for other opportunities. Yeah, go with the buyers right here, okay? Because this is an engulf, it has already the retracement, and also this is uptrend, right? This is uptrend. And now I'm expecting a green candle. Why? Because if you go to the lower time frame, you can already see this area is a point of interest for us. Okay, I hope they reject because I believe this should be a winning trade. And down here also we have a QM, but yeah, it's rejecting from exactly right here. This is strong supply area has been become a demand area, and this is the entry point for us. Okay, this would be entry point. This overlap here. All right. This is another engulf. Let's see if we can find another trade. This one also same as the previous one. Strong demand area has been become as a supply. I go with the bars exactly right here. Let's come down. I will add one more here, okay? I will add one more here. This is awesome. Oh my god, I wish I had more on this one. This is a super clear QM area. And also we have the trend, okay? We have the trend. I wish it was coming down and it touching this line. I would add one more, okay? Because we also have this sequence, see? Market sequence here as well. Okay, two red candle and then green. Two red candle, green, and again two red candle, green. Another reason that this is super strong is the starting point, number one, number two, they are starting off with engulf. They are not starting off with something like this, okay? They're not starting with something like this. This is weak, but they are starting with engulf. So this is strong, all right? So we go, and also we have QM inside of it. It's lining up with that, and that's a great trade to take, okay? So here we have first touch, second touch, third touch. Now, if we're breaking this one, would be a good trade to take. This trade, this QM right here, I marked, this has engulf, right? And this QM inside of that engulf, this is the QM. But if you look at this higher time frame confirmation, you can see that this is on the weeks of this this engulf, okay? So it's gonna be high risk, okay? It's gonna be high risk because the setup is inside the weeks of engulf. So if you want to take this kind of trade, have to take it with lower amount. No, look at my entry. My entry is so bad, bro. It goes up. Okay, I go with two more here. This is a beautiful trade, man. This is a beautiful trade. All right, let me just mark this trend line. My first entry is so bad. All right, you can see this is a trend line. It's not a beautiful, you know, if we had a higher high like this, I mean lower low like this, it would be a beautiful trend line. But this trend, it's not a good trend line. This is just seller's entry, okay? But we have a QM here. You can see this QM. It's a very small QM. Okay, and beside that we have this gap up. This also might be exhaustion candle. If it doesn't have this wick right here, it would be exhaustion candle. My first entry is not a very good entry, so we might lose it. Yes, I guess we lost that. All of them winning trades. That's crazy. And also exhaustion candle, QM, and then third touch of the trend line. Okay, I think that's enough for today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, drop a like for me and let me know in the comments if you like these kind of series. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.